But hello guys, I'm gonna be ranking every dinosaur in the Jurassic World franchise from best to worst. Just to let you know, these are all my opinions. Starting with the two hybrids. Hybrids in the series are pretty good, but these two, yeah, I'm gonna give them salt C tier. They didn't really do much. Spinosaurus. Oh, you know what this guy's going straight to S tier. Look at the tricks in Lost World. Still, other ones are kind of dark, so I'm gonna make the brightness so I can see them more. Okay, there. And baby Brachiosaurus. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the babies. Another C tier. If this had an F tier, I think we'd already have one. Okay. The raptors from Bison. Seriously. I like raptors in the franchise, but I didn't see. They didn't do much in the series, other than Blue was epic. I don't know, should I put them in C tier or B tier? Because I don't know what B tier. The Dilophosaurus, bro. This is true. This is going straight to A tier. You cannot tell me they're not one of the coolest. Without question, bad design doesn't do anything. From the series, these guys didn't do much. Kind of like a weeping angel or something. Yeah, they did have a few jump scares. This guy that scared the heebie-jeebies out of me. I'm not joking. So yeah, because of the jump scares, this guy gave me a few nightmares. He's going to be here. Oh my god, nah, bruh. Ugly design, powerful. Managed to kill Super Brad, but nah, not my type. Cool herbivore, and then put him above him because he Tura or the Connosaurus. Is this even a question? Seriously, is this even a question? Write down in the comments if you would put him on S tier or A tier. For now, we're gonna put him in A tier because I don't want to flood S tier. The Brads got destroyed by a stick. Compies. That's not. What is that? Oh, it's the Mosasaurus from Jurassic Park. Not as good as the Jurassic World one though. So I'm giving me B tier. These things can give you nightmares. I am not joking. Their poison does put them a bit higher on the list, like just above the Mosasaurus by a bit. Wait, there was a F tier. How would I say? Yeah, third A. Give it a solid B. Can't tell what that is. Sure. You're gonna have to come back to them. Buck. Who remembers Buck from the Lost World? Exactly. Yeah. No, curious about Buck though. Buck, go behind you. Bull. I can't say the same for Bull. I didn't see Bull that much of them. No. Chicken move goes. Hey, look at this. This is quite a big tier list, if I'm gonna be honest. This is all the dinosaurs after all. Wish it was more zoomed in. Again, I guess this is the Baryonyx. It's a solid B tier. Or C tier. Because of that image. Maybe they're cool, but that image sucks. I need a different image. I'm not judging them. Not judging them over the images. I just can't see it properly. I can't tell if it's Baryonyx or not. Because if it is, that's getting a solid 8 here. Same thing here. I don't like the design that much. Same time, I'm not judging them by design. I'm not judging them by the capabilities. Stegosaurus. Okay. Here's where things begin to get interesting. Okay, we're giving him a B tier. Really, what we see him is like once in the movie, and he just walks off. These two are the same. D tier. Since these two are technically the same, let's get rid of them. Wait. Are those even compies? Are those even compies right there? Can't tell, because there's a compy right here. I want to downgrade those, though. If that's a... Never seen that before, so they've watched all the movies, I've never seen that one. Yes, sadly another D tier. For as much D tiers as we have B tiers at this point. Pteranodons. Well, they're not exactly pteranodons. So they're going to C tier. Jurassic World Brachiosaurus. Okay. Don't want to flood 8 tier though. It's gonna get flooded anyway, so yeah. 8 tier, I like the design, cool, and kinda my interest a lot. Same thing, I don't know what is it, can't get a clear sight on it. Nah. The only thing more dangerous than a pack of compies is the compy. Thermos. Always always get captured if the only was an F tier. It's kind of mid. I enjoyed them in the movie, the mid. I'll move them up a bit. Brachiocephalosauruses. Here. Let's go. We're done though. Spoilers. Those two specific dinosaurs that have the same genome are going right to S tier. Sabertooth. Cretaceous. I feel like he didn't do much in the series. I only did an attempt to give us some fears, but he was easily dodgeable and beatable. Solid B tier. Two raptors from Jurassic Park. A tier. Saving S tier for the best of the best. A pteranodon. Oh, okay. We're getting to stuff I kind of like. Cool design. Actually did a lot in most of the movies, it's gonna get a solid A tier. The T-Rex. Is this even a question? It's the first T-Rex in the franchise. I'm being honest, I don't like the design as much as Buck, to be honest. Why does Buck look better? And boom. I'm giving him some respect and put him up. But I kind of don't like the design. But the ending of the movie was epic. A tier. Doesn't matter, it's the same scene, same two dinosaurs. Because of their size, you get extra power. I don't know, blah, blah, blah. So that's gonna be C tier. If the dinosaurs are the same and from the same shot, yeah, they even get in rank. The Triceratops. Because of the end of Fallen Kingdom, yeah, these guys are gonna get a space here. Remember, these are all my opinions. Triceratops, same goddamn thing. Wait a second, that's the Camp Cretaceous Spinosaurus. No. This is the real Spinosaurus. Camp Cretaceous, sorry, but you Spinosaurus sucks. This is the Spinosaurus we all want. Sorry, because there's somebody annoying in my room. Let's continue. Oh god. It took me to just copies of other dinosaurs. Personality difference. The T-Rex that went against Buck. We had a few minutes of screen time, and that's pretty much it. It was a cool battle, don't get me wrong, but because of the screen time. But I have to ask you a question. Compare these two designs. Let's compare them. This is the first, and this is the CGI version, not the animatronic. Which one looks better? That's what I thought. I'm saying it's the third movie. Don't I care if it's the third movie? Damn it, the amount of screen time this guy got. It should have been more, but that's what it is. Brachycephalosaurus. Bro, these things can make you chuckle. So it's B tier. Look at B tier. It's like it's become 2 rows at this point. Clever, go. What was after me in here? They're cool. Oh, this is the one from Jurassic Park 3. The even clever girl. I didn't really enjoy that raptor, if I'm gonna be honest. I feel like you'd see the head of this one, since we can't rank it. The Ankylosaurus that fought the Indominus Rex pretty so easily defeated. Because this guy is brave enough to fight an Indominus Rex. That brave. Okay, we're gonna pay some respect and give him a B tier. Oh, yeah, we're gonna give him B tier. Nah, bro. No. How come we're gonna downgrade the pack? This is D tier. So there you are. Already got the goat. What's the game? A pteranodon. It's a pteranodon. Jurassic Park pteranodon. This can be just right there. I'm not sure which T-Rex this one is. see that. Let me just check the tier list. And actually, on the tier list. So let's see. First one was straight. I swear to God, if they put Rexy in Camp Cretaceous, I swear to God. If you guys bought Rexy, please tell me. Because this is not Rexy, that's from the short, the one that died. And where's Rexy? Oh, so okay, I'm just gonna assume this one's Rexy, so for some reason. Don't look Sonitronic like. But since I think this is Rexy, not the GOAT, but still pretty good. Special still easily beat him. Bumpy. From Crown Cretaceous, shit. Oh, that one's Bumpy, okay. The ankle sorts. This is the one for the Indominus Rex. This is the one that's actually gonna get an A tier. All this guy actually did actually stalk them and was easily beat when they got on the boat. So I'm gonna give this guy a solid B tier. God, no, my brother. Please, no. Thermimus died easily to D tier. My opinions, remember. Back. So yeah. Now we're getting to the Jurassic World stuff. There we go. You finally continue this tier list. We're gonna start the same. This guy is the same. This guy looks cool. Nearly killed Owen, so he's gonna go to a C tier. Now we're getting to the actual GOATs, in my opinion. And also, this one is 100 times better than Jurassic Part 1. I'm just putting somewhere to remember. 2SG. No. My people might be saying, no, they're not the same. I don't hear people saying that. Why don't this point out? What? Where is he? Where'd he go? That's weird. Oh, there he is. I'm gonna put this guy. He's a GOAT. Yeah, I'm sure John goes. level goal. This is the A tier. You guys don't belong in A tier. You're all strong. Screw you. You belong in D tier. Easy. 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 Okay, finally. Slowing up. Nope. Put the compy out of his misery. Delta. Not as good as Blue, but still, she's pretty good. She died in Full Death to an RPG. A tier. The Clever Girl Failures. No tears about that. Echo. You already know where this guy's going. Going like 2 8-year-old Blues pack belongs. What the fuck did he here? I'm a Delta. Echo's right. These two, nah, unless the ones suck. The ones I don't rank, that means they belong in F tier. I have F tier bros. Finally. Okay, fine, continue. You know, Blue's pick is all up there. Already ranked you. Also, yep. Now the things we don't rank are just because they're already there. Alright, 90. Only 3 seconds of screen time. Because I respect. You're gonna get a. You guys did see here. Before you got more screen time, bro. So let's continue. I want to reach 1,000 subs and I'm going to make a face reveal. The grumpy old person who killed the Connosaurus. The grumpy old person who killed the Connosaurus. Let's continue. Already ranked. Bro. You cannot tell me you had one of the best scenes in the Jurassic World franchise. He did not have one of the best scenes in the Jurassic World franchise. Okay. Okay, it's actually a small one. If you want, screw the copy. I'm using the honest ranking. I don't understand why everybody loves this person. Something like that. Humans are weird. Ba-ba-ba. Carnosaurus who got beat up twice in a movie. After girl did not got beat up so easily. Ain't no way broke any harder than that. Already ranked. Wait, where can I again? Oh. This guy's getting an A tier. Why not an S tier? Your answer right here. Watch Fallen Kingdom and you just might know. Ranked. Why there's so many compies? Ranked. Rexy. We finally ranked Rexy. This is Rexy. Don't know who that imposter was up here. We're going down there, Rexy. Goody good Lord, Rexy. We're going right to it here. Just behind Blue. Okay. The Alphasaurus already ranked. Like, did we rank him? No, we did. He's an AT already. We don't have to rank him again. Baby Raptor, no. As I said, Blue and her squad, Blue and her pack will always be an A tier. Already ranked except for the Baba. So Baba's gonna go to F tier. Ranked. Oh, this is a different one. The gyrosphere. This one's big as a human teeth. I think it's fantastic. C-tier though means they might lose against nearly everything. That means that's F tier. C-tier means they're good, but not as good. D tier means these suck in design. They're dead. B tier means they're good, but not that good. A tier means they stand up amazing chance. S tier that means they're gonna win 100%. Well, these dinosaurs. Also, laser technically just the Interruptor, but too copyrighted and more loyal. But kind of dumb. I'm not gonna lie, they're dumb. Same thing. But the tiers have died in that short. Oh god. Much as I like T-Rex, because this one died so easily. Nah. He's getting a C tier. Sure, if you want against anything else, he might win, but still. I need screen time. I need more screen time with this guy. Like, I need a full shot to know. Oh. Let's continue. Baryonyx. A tier. Is he A tier? You cannot tell me as not an A tier. What the heck? No. I hate tryers. I'm gonna replace this image of Baryonyx. Come on, bro. Bro, what the hell? Oh, hell no, bro. What the hell? We don't want that Baryonyx. We want the real thing. The Giga was not a Saurus. Here, am I gonna lie? This one is getting an S tier. Just right here. The fairy. Not the best, but still really good at another one. But did require help from T-Rex to win. There we go. The guy that could. No, he didn't get it. Bro nearly died to a taser. Bro got abused in the movie. Nah. We're finally getting to the OP stuff. We're already past OP. Already past the OP stuff. That's where we have S tier. But still. This guy's OP. If the thing would let me rank him, maybe. Size of planes? Nah, bro. Rachel's got hurt by a plane. This guy's the size of one. Beta. This is pretty screwed, if you're gonna ask me. No, who keeps putting his super transfer on PMI? Who the? I think it kind of deserves more respect. Yeah, I'm gonna go up here. This guy also looks cool, but no. Back, guys, let's continue. Ranking dinosaurs, great. I'm not really enjoying this. What else do we have? The baby version of Bumpy, bro. Beating all the adult Bumpy. No, adult Bumpy ain't an F tier. Nah, he's an A tier. The reason this big tier list is big is because they're just repeating dinosaurs over and over. Right, F tier, probably gonna be if I don't know. Give him a D tier with the cool appearance in the series, but very easily frightened. The T-Rex trio. The T-Rex trio. T-Rex trio. Do you hear me? T-Rex trio. No, just Rexy's part of this trio, by the way. Just a fucking bull. This guy died a terrible death, so I'm gonna give him a B tier because of his death. He got ambushed in the night and died. Bionics Ray ranked them. They're so epic though. Alright, if this is Rexy, 100% Rexy. I don't know who. Here, bro. Oh. Right now, hang on. The Scorpius Rex is, oh. If your CD is J things, you know understand. But Blue still won. So they need that. The Blue beat them. Blue tricked them to killing themselves. So yeah, Blue is. So they ain't that good. Start pack one. That is the Jurassic World tier list. Thinking, what's all of this? These are just the same dinosaurs repeating. We rank one of them, and that's it. So this is the Jurassic World tier list. I hope you enjoy.